Hello everyone, this video I will show you about fingerprint unlock effect on Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, you can do on any Samsung phone. First, go to Setting, scroll down. Okay, you can see Modes and Routines. Click on here. And then click on Routines. Click the plus icon. Okay, you can see add what will trigger this routine. Okay, scroll down. Select the unlock with fingerprint. Okay, you can see then add what will routine will do. Scroll down, click the effects. Okay, click the add lighting. Thanks for watching. Let me know you think. You can comment down below. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you next video. Peace.